What's up, kids? Are you ready for another day of learning math? Today's chapter is a fun chapter. We will learn how to skip count by different numbers. This will help us in a lesson that we have learned before. Multiplication. What? Really? That's so cool! And our destination is just as cool. Today, we will be heading to meet our action figure friends. Speaking of it, did you know that the first feature-length computer animated movie was Pixar's Toy Story? It's in the Guinness Book of World Records. Iggy, would you do the honors, please?
My pleasure, Professor Fifi. We are going to start shrinking.
And now, Luffy, you may start the lesson. Okay, today we will introduce the multiplication table to all of you. But first, let's learn how to count by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. You see, it's how many twos are added together that make up the multiples. Let's use this to count how many of these action figures there are. Each box has 2 action figures, and there are 7 boxes, meaning that there are 7 groups of 2 action figures. So, 7 multiplied by 2 equals 14. Let's count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. That must mean there are 14 action figures altogether.
Let's try another one. There are 8 boxes of crayons, and each box has 2 crayons. How many crayons are there altogether? Let's count by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. There are 16 crayons altogether. What is 6 multiplied by 2? Let's start with 5 groups of 2. 5 multiplied by 2 equals 10. If we add one group of 2, we get 6 multiplied by 2. So, 6 multiplied by 2 equals 12. Good job! Now let's try taking away a multiplication fact. What is 9 by 2? Let's start with 10 groups of 2. 10 multiplied by 2 equals 20. If we take away one group of 2, we get 9 by 2. So, 9 by 2 equals 20 minus 2 equals 18. Great! Here is what the multiplication table of 2 looks like from 1 to 10.
And that's it for this lesson. Let's practice. After all, what use would toys be if we don't play with them?